What's going on, my credit snipers? Hey, today I want to bring you a review of a new card that has unlimited spending power, guys. It's called the PointCard Titan. PointCard Titan, guys. Hey, I'm gonna bring it to you. I'm gonna tell you one of the good things about it, why you should get it. But by the way, you need to get in line. It's about to come out very soon. I'll advise you to get it. It's a little gift to you guys. I just wanted to go ahead and bring it to you, guys. But before I go to the video, make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you click on the bell icon, and make sure that you give me the thumbs up, because it's gonna be nuggets and some value to you guys. Now let's move to the video. All right, my credit snipers, so let's talk about the PointCard Titan. Guys, this card, it looks amazing, and now compared to the American Express that I have, man, this is blowing that out of the water. Now I've been hearing so much buzz about this car that I'm definitely, I reserved my spot, put myself in line. I just want to share with you guys, so just in case this they're right now, because you know how it happened with a lot of these cars when they first come out, they are only able to issue so much and then they close it down until the next time. So they may have some bugs here and there, but it's best for you to actually get on the line, make sure that you get it prior to they change all the rules and regulations and some of the policies in order for you to get it. Now let's move to this. Now, one of the best things about this car that I love is the 5 times rewards that you could get on rideshare, food delivery, subscription, fitness, and EV charging. Now, this is one of the futuristic type of cards. Not only is correlated with Tesla, but also you could use it for crypto. Now, I want to move forward, and once I'll show you a little more on that. Now, there's also 3 times points on travel, dining, grocery, entertainment, and fashion. And guys, and 1% in everything else. One of the main things is that you can also use this for travel, and you could get instant cash back. One of the best things, guys, you could use it with almost every travel out there. Now, this car is meant to be used not only in the United States but abroad. This is why you see that it has that you can use with a lot of the Sky Team, the One World, Star Alliance, JetBlue. Obviously, JetBlue goes anywhere in the world, and also Lufthansa. Now, one of the best things about this is that you can use TSA pre-check and global entry included. So you can actually do this for use for priority pass lounge for you and your guests. Now you can use this anywhere in the world, and they are no fees. So this is amazing, guys. I'm telling you, I have the American Express Gold card and the silver, and this car seems that it's gonna blow it out of the water. I'm so excited. Now, guys, one of the main things that you can use it now. Every time I travel around the world, I always use Airbnb. So I advise you to use this card, because it seems that we are about to make 15 times points on rewards anytime that I use it. So guys, if you think about this, I could only have to stay 5 stays, and I could definitely stay my 6th day. It will be free for me just by using this card. Now, guys, one of the main things is look at the style of this card. It is beautiful. You could either get it on the silver or you get it on the gold. Man, it is amazing. Now, another thing is that you could have unlimited cards. You can actually, it's a digital card. Why? Because you can use this with crypto too. Now, this card also has so many features, guys. I mean, I love it. The way that the app looks, the friendliness. I mean, I saw a demo, and guys, the app is amazing. The way that actually looks, the way that you can use it. I mean, not only you can use to lock and unlock your car, but the way that you can transfer money is amazing. I mean, I haven't seen any other car other than one of the Chase ones and Navy Federal Credit Union. Now, one of the other things is this card gives you on the dot, guys, updates on when you use and how you're using it. So I mean, the car by itself is amazing. I advise you to get it. Look, go do a little more research on the car. One of the main things that I love about this is different design than any other one is the qualifications, guys. Now, guys, this car is fairly easy to get. Why? Because if you see, some of the qualification is for you to be able to just make $100,000 or have $10,000 in liquid assets, guys. Not only that, this would include cash investments or stocks or even crypto. So if you have a type of investment That's efficient for that. Now, some of the advantages is that it won't affect your credit. Guys, this is amazing because you won't have a hard inquiry on your credit. Your spending limit will grow and you never will pay interest on this. Guys, this is, I mean, I've never seen anything like that. I can't sleep about this. This is amazing, an amazing card, guys. I advise you to get it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you my link. So like that, you're able to reserve this card. Guys, do not forget, get it. Reserve your spot, get in line, and I hope you actually get on the club. So guys, till the next time, this is your boy, Carlos, with the best credit blueprint, and I'll see you in the next one.